Hi, I'm Brittney Ashley, the owner-founder of a company called Creative Dynamic Virtual Services, a people-first consulting and marketing agency. And we really look at the full business ecosystem. And one of the common questions is how to utilize AI within the organization at Creative Dynamics and then with clients as well. So the problem here is we're really good at creating SOPs, policies, procedures, and everything else under the sun for our clients. But we haven't created an outline for ourselves here at Creative Dynamics, uh, really digging into why we're using AI, how we're using it, and everything else in between. So, to solve that problem, I wanted to create my artifacts would be the AI policy and outline for the team and subcontractors. And then some of the rules is uh, how we're using it. We're keeping it always human. We're protecting the data, the client information. We're staying open and honest with clients. We're going to revisit um, this document, the policy procedures all the time, just like an SOP, checking in on it every 6 months, and then disclose anything and making sure that we're very clear and with intention when we're using AI with any client information and also with Creative Dynamics as well. But overall, we're always doing, did a person make the final call? Is any client data in here? Are the facts verified? Does it still sound like us? From my AI lens is really being authentic first and then agency right behind it. And we're using the NIST for questions, the framework to build the policy as well. And then the AI skill for Claude. So who's in charge? What could go wrong? How would I know? And what would I do? And then even further, we're always doing any kind of quality check. So you see, we're keeping the policy simple, safety checks built. We're keeping in mind how we're building it for agencies and workflows and making sure we get human checkpoints in and then quality checks even further along the way using the team skilled item as well. So here's my AI use policy. Again, you can see I've outlined being authentic, honesty, and what the agency is going to do and some of the rules as well. And then this is my Claude AI checker. And you can see my other checker or AI skills that I have built along the way. But I want to just show kind of like my general compass. We're going through always my guiding thinking, not outsourcing, and how to be responsible with AI, and the agent method, and everything else in between in the 3 and 4 different pillars. And when we're using agentic matrix AI as well, we're going to really want to make sure that we're doing the audit, gauge, engineer, and navigate and track. So with that, it's always keeping in mind the train track kind of dilemma. If someone sets the rule before the train starts moving, sometimes it's really hard to slow down that piece. So always keeping in mind kind of the audit, gauge, engineering, navigate, and track areas, what can go wrong, and how who should this task flow to, and then keeping in mind of the ethics. So my overall reflection is I came in curious. I'm leaving even more curious. My big takeaway is leaning into my curiosity. When something isn't clear, ask and gain more information from others. As always, humans, we need to set the ethics and be the human in the loop and make the rules. Thank you.